The Himalayas stretch across countries like India, Nepal, Bhutan, and China. They contain some of the tallest peaks on Earth, including Mount Everest. But millions of years ago, none of these mountains existed. Instead, there was a massive ocean called the Tethys Sea around 200 million years ago. Earth looked very different. The continents were joined together in a supercontinent called Pangaea. Over time, Pangaea broke apart. The land mass that would become India separated and started drifting north across the ancient ocean. And it moved fast. Scientists estimate the Indian plate moved nearly 15 to 20 centimeters every year, extremely fast in geological terms. Imagine a giant piece of Earth slowly crashing into another continent over millions of years. That continent was Eurasia. About 50 million years ago, the Indian plate finally collided with the Eurasian plate. This was not a normal crash. Both plates were made of continental crust, thick and hard rock. Instead of one plate sinking beneath the other, the land crumpled and folded upward. That folding created the Himalayas. Think of pushing two carpets toward each other. The carpets wrinkle upward. That is similar to how mountains formed during the collision. The rocks at the top of the Himalayas still contain marine fossils today. That means parts of these mountains were once at the bottom of an ocean. The story is not over. The Indian plate is still pushing northward even today. Because of this, the Himalayas rise by a few millimeters every year. This movement also causes powerful earthquakes across the region. Scientists constantly monitor the mountains using satellites and GPS technology. The Himalayas are one of the youngest mountain ranges on Earth. And they are still evolving. The Himalayas do much more than look beautiful. They shape the climate of Asia. They block cold winds from Central Asia and help create the Indian monsoon system. Major rivers like the Ganges, Indus, and Brahmaputra begin in these mountains. Without the Himalayas, human civilization in South Asia would look completely different. So the next time you see the Himalayas, remember this. These mountains were born from one of the greatest collisions in Earth's history. And even today, they are still rising toward the sky. More than 1 billion people depend on Himalayan water.